We are gonna make protein balls today. This is a really, really great snack that you can have, again, full of protein. So let's get to it and let me show you how to make this. So we're gonna start off with plain oats, and we're gonna do 1 1/3 cup of oats. Then we are going to do 1/2 cup of diesel whey isolate protein powder. Add that. And we're gonna do natural peanut butter. We are gonna do 1 1/2 cups of peanut butter. Okay, that's 1 cup, and we need another 1/2 cup. Okay, that's another 1/2 cup. Next, we're gonna add some honey. So we need about 1/2 cup of honey. Okay, we're gonna add that. The honey to it. Then we are gonna add a little bit of salt and chocolate chips to the end. So I'm just gonna use some pink Himalayan salt. And then we are adding some chocolate chips, and we are going to do 1/2 cup of mini dark chocolate chips. And we are going to mix all of this together. Okay, again, it's a really tasty protein snack, but keep in mind there's also fat and also carbs in here. So the fats is coming from obviously the peanut butter, and then we also have the carbs coming from the oats and also the chocolate chips. So I'm gonna be mixing that around. There we go, as it starts to form a little bit better. So we will make these into tiny little balls and just roll them into tiny little balls. And you can mix this up and use different types of protein powder if you want, different flavors of protein powder. If you don't, I use chocolate today, but you can do vanilla, you can do mocha flavored, you can do pumpkin. There's tons of different diesel protein flavors that you can do. You can also substitute the peanut butter for coconut. So there's different types of variety of different protein balls that you can make. But you're going to form them into balls like this and then pop that into the fridge for about 4 hours until they get a little bit harder and they form. And those are a great little go-to snack with lots of protein. You got some carbs and you also have some fats in it.